Alright everybody, I'm going to make this video very short. I want to jump right into it, give you a quick demonstration of how the software works. First, let's go ahead and let it boot up. Boot the kernel, connect to the servers in Moscow, load the algorithm, and there we go. Alright, all booted up and already spitting out trades. Let's real quick pick up the first one I see, which is the euro dollar, and that's a call signal. Now, I'm going to be doing $100 minimum trades. I suggest you start lower at around $12 to $50, and as you make more profit, which you will, of course, you can up the initial investment. Now, let's go ahead and see how this trade does. So, as we wait for the trade to finalize, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part and do you a favor. It should be a little under 10 minutes. I'm going to fast forward it in the post-editing of this video. And just like I expected, it was in the money. So that's $81. It's an 81% return in less than 10 minutes. Now let's quickly move along. All right, let's pick, as you can see here, this thing shoots out around 4 to 6 trades every minute here. And I get the New Zealand dollar. Let's pick the US yen. That's the last one to show up. That's a call signal. Again, $100. Let's approve. See what happens. And again, like clockwork, in the money. So that's $162 in less than 15 minutes from starting the software. Just from boot, 15 minutes, $162 in my pocket. Now let's go ahead and move along. Let's pick another one. Let's do the US Canadian dollar. Let's take it $100 and let's see what happens. And of course, in the money. Now that's now a total of $237, less than 20 minutes. When was the last time you made money like this? Literally 20 minutes from boot, I already pocketed $237. It's amazing. Now you see how easy this is? I wasn't lying. I'm literally making 2 clicks maximum each trade. Now, as you see the platform here in Option Rally, you have the ability to do more than 1 trade at a time. Obviously, I'm doing 1 trade at a time for the sake of the video, but you can easily do multiple, as the software does give you multiple signals. I suggest you start out with at least 3 trades every 10 minutes. So it's around 3 trades at a time. And as you see, you can easily quadruple your profit if you're doing more trades. I'm doing only 1 trade at a time and I profited $237 thus far. You can easily quadruple that if you're doing more than 1 trade at a time. All right. Now let's go ahead and do 1 more trade to show you the first 3 wasn't flukes. Let's take the US yen put signal. I'm already here. Let's for the fun of it, let's put $1,000. Okay, let's risk $1,000 of my own money and put it on the US yen. Put that in. Now, to make things interesting, I'm going to wait towards the end of this signal. Okay, I put $1,000 in, and I'm gonna wait to the very last second and wait for it to disappear. Still haven't approved. Boom. Okay, let's show you how strong this algorithm is. I'm a little late on this signal. I put $1,000 of my own money in. Let's see what happens. And what do you know? I didn't even break a bead of sweat. I am very confident in this software, obviously. So that's a total of $1,037, less than 40 minutes. 40 minutes from boot. You can wash your car in more time. $1,037 from boot. Now, if you take a look at my account balance, around 14,500. This is about a week's worth of trading. As you see here, it's just nothing but a slew of wins. Win, 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 one after another. I think right here you see about one loss. So it's about a total of 10, 12 trades for every loss, which is very typical. Once in a while, the algorithm is not perfect. Nobody's perfect. You will get a losing one. But about all the profit you're making, you really will not see it. It will not hurt your wallet whatsoever. All right, everybody, that concludes the software demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a little beginner's tip that I give most of the beginning beta testers of our groups. What I suggest you do is make 3 trades at a time, minimum $12 to $50 each every 10 minutes. Now, you saw before that you can place more than one trade at a time. Okay? Now, what this does is it enables you, if you're trading at $12 per trade, to make $130 per hour. At $50 per trade, that's $730 per hour. Now, if you up the ante after you've been with us for a little bit, then you can do $100 per trade, which is $1,460 per hour. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let you do the math on that. Your monthly salary is in your hands. We have advanced users making over $862,000 annually. Join them by registering with the broker below. I hope to see everyone in this year's group, and I do urge you to act hastily. If it's anything like last year, all the seats went up within the first 3 days. If you're seeing this page, that means there's still space available. So act quick, register below. I'll see you on the inside. Take care.